is equal to y, you will take value of y and you will get value of x. Y is 0 because x is equal to y, x will also come 0. If y is 1, x will also come 1. Y is 2, x will also come 2. Y is minus 1, x will also come minus 1 because values are same. X is minus 2, y will also come minus 2. Now you plot the graph on the graph paper. This is x-axis positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, positive y-axis 1, 2, 3, negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. When x is 0, y is 0, 1 point will be here. X is 1, y is 1, 1 point will be there. X is 2, y is 2, 1 point will be there. Like this, negative also. X is minus 1, y is minus 1, 1 point you will take here. X is minus 2, y will minus 2, 1 point here. With the help of scale, you have to join them carefully and put arrows both the time, both the side. X is equal to y, graph will be formed. Thank you.